Retreats. Let's talk about some of the weather extremes that we typically see this time of year. Our average temperature today is about 60 degrees. We're sliding as we round off or finish off October into the upper 50s. That's our average high temperature on Halloween. We've had as much as 83/100ths of an inch of rain back in 1933 and 8.5 inches of snow in 1971. We've also been as mild as 77 degrees and as cold as 35 for our high. Here's a look at the trick-or-treat forecast as we get into Monday. So the Wasatch Front should be right near 60 degrees at 5 o'clock. By 9 o'clock, 49. Probably not going to be out super late. It is a school night as we have school on Tuesday. But Logan, 54, 44 at 9, 71 in St. George. Perfect weather on Monday, 60 as you head out. And then we're also looking at upper 50s for Provo. There for you headlines. Temperatures this morning is freezing cold. Yeah, we've got temperatures that are even in the upper 20s for parts of the valleys along the Wasatch Front. Sunshine, though, taking over with high pressure in place. And it's really going to be a nice weekend overall. I mentioned the forecast for Halloween. So leading up to that, you can imagine things are looking pretty phenomenal as well. But we are tracking some storms for next week. Let's kind of walk you through it with the upper level wind chart. So high pressure in place, generating the sunny skies currently across the Beehive State. We get a little bit of a weak disturbance that just grazes us, brings a little bit of cloud cover tomorrow. It'll be high clouds, so we'll call it partly cloudy skies. And then here comes what models are suggesting is our next trough of low pressure. This is Tuesday, about 8 o'clock. We'll start to see some of the lowering heights, so some blustery winds ahead of some changes. And it's looking like the moisture should arrive sometime late Tuesday into Wednesday morning. This particular bar graph just showing moisture on Wednesday. We could start to impact or change some of the forecasts as we get closer. We fine-tune some of the details late Tuesday into Wednesday right now. Regional forecast then, 50s across the Wasatch Front, 59 Provo, Vernal 48, should be about 68 as I mentioned down south. And we're going to hang on to those low 70s, upper 60s all the way through Sunday. Monday 72 in St. George for Halloween. Beautiful weather out there. And some increasing clouds on Tuesday. Winds will increase as well. 64 Wednesday. Chances of moisture late Wednesday into Thursday. Temperatures are falling in St. George as well into the 50s. As we got temperatures along the Wasatch Front, upper 50s through Sunday. Low 60s on Monday. 64 on Tuesday. Chance of rain, we'll throw that in there for now, but winds are increasing with windy conditions and rain Wednesday. Showers linger into Thursday. Highs of just 47 Thursday next week.